Come test drive the 2018 LaCrosse. The Buick LaCrosse has a quiet interior, steady and supple ride, and responsive handling, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, power passenger seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.